are you doing, CJ? Are you getting Daddy's arm? Cheese.
Cheese.
Let Mama.
You're going too far over. Right here. Alright, you're trying to bite now. Alright. That's enough.